viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so when I upload a video you'll be the first to receive the video. So in today's video, it's all about the outdoor cooking as usual. So it's a mango baked chicken today, and I'm gonna do some sweet potato salad with some vegetable. So these are just some of the things that I'm gonna prepare. So it's not every day I'm gonna do like rice. So I'm gonna try to switch it and twist it a little bit to give you guys some of the awesome ideas and awesome recipe that Caribbean Vibes is putting out there. So I'm just going through, clean up the chicken, take off the unnecessary feathers off of the chicken. So I'm just done clean up the chicken, cut them up. So I'm going to use some vinegar to wash them. I'm using 2 cork. I'm also cleaning off the slime off of the chicken. So for seasoning, I'm using an onion, I'm using a piece of sweet pepper, I'm using some ginger. I'm going to shred the ginger. I'm using 4 cloves of garlic, piece of thyme, 2 stalks of scallion, I'm just chopping up the onion. So I'm cutting up the bell pepper. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the pepper because this pepper is really hot. So I'm just going to cut off a little bit of it. So I'm chopping up the garlic. So I'm going to shred the ginger. So and it's like a spoon of ginger after finish shredding it. So I'm going to use a small spoon pimento seed, a spoon of meat season, so it's a spoon each. Chicken season, that's a spoon of chicken season. One spoon of all-purpose season. So I'm gonna rub in the season and taste the season to make sure it is not too salt. So if any adjustment, I can adjust it by adding some more season to it. So first off, I'm just washing the mango, and it's very important to wash your fruits and vegetables after purchasing them. So I'm washing the mango, and then I'm gonna peel the mango. So I'm gonna cut it up in the blender. Pour some water in the blender. So I do not want the mango to blend too thick. So I'm gonna pour some of the mango over the chicken. So I'm just flipping the chicken through the mango juice. So I'm just gonna leave them for marinating. And it's gonna be a mango baked chicken today, guys. So if you are new to the channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a video you'll be the first. And guys, shout out to some of the best friends I have over there in UK and Canada. Big up to Kitty, big up to Beauty, big up to Positive Vibes over there in Trinidad. You guys are awesome. Just big up on yourself, guys, and thanks again ways of support Caribbean Vibes movement on TikTok and YouTube. So the chicken done marinate, so I'm gonna just place them into the aluminum foil. I'm pouring some of the mango juice. So I'm setting off the chicken now, and we're baking the chicken outdoor. Man, that too here, man. So I'm peeling the sweet potato. Add them in the basin with the water. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cooking oil into the water. So it's sweet potato salad. So I'm just dicing up the sweet potato. Adding them into some clean water with some cooking oil just to prevent them from changing color. Today the rain is on us today again. So I'm trying to see how fast I can shoot out this video, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So if you guys see the end of this video, then that means the video finished. If you guys make it to see the end of this video, that means the vlog completed. So I'm currently checking on the chicken, just shifting them a little bit because I don't want them to hitching at the bottom. Guys, I have to take up the next small piece. Guys, you can taste the mango. So I'm going to give it about 5 more minutes and then take it out and then make the sauce for it. Now add some salt in the pot. Now add just a little bit of cooking oil. I'm going to wash the sweet potato and add them in the pot. I'm trying to hurry, guys, because of the rain. So I'm trying to go as fast as possible today. I'm adding a piece of scallion, and I'm going to add the frozen vegetable. So I'm boiling the frozen vegetable with the sweet potato together. So I'm boiling them for 7 minutes because I don't want the sweet potato to overcook. So I'm going to throw off some of the juice off of the chicken. So I'm using some ketchup. So I'm using the juice from the chicken. I'm using some fish and meat sauce. So guys, I have to be hurrying. A little bit of soy sauce. Because the rain really a come down. And I'm using some honey. And I'm gonna use the rest of the mango juice. I'm gonna add just a little bit of pepper in it. So I'm dipping the chicken into the sauce. So it's been 7 minutes, so the sweet potato done, and see it, as I don't want it to be too soft and then it get too soggy. So I'm gonna strain out the water and let it cool off. You guys are hungry? You guys are hungry? So I'm taking out the chicken, guys. So for the sweet potato salad, I'm gonna use some sweet corn. I'm using some tomato, sweet pepper, scallion, raisin. So I'm using a lot of colors in it too. I'm gonna use some mayonnaise. 3 spoons for start off. adding a little bit of salt to wash the vegetable. So I'm using a white cabbage, carrot, cucumber, a little bit of the purple cabbage. I'm adding a spoon of brown sugar and just a little bit of vinegar. So guys, the rain has come down, so the vlog has come to an end. So please like, share and comment and subscribe for more awesome videos, guys. Peace out, guys. Peace out. One love, guys. So I'm trying to catch the thumbnail picture, guys.